So I start watching Supercross last night, and I think it was the first 250 heat, and Hunter Yoder on the Kawasaki comes out and pulls the whole shot. And I'm expecting the announcers to get kind of excited, start saying something. It was pretty much dead silence. And then they did finally mention his name, but they didn't mention his team. They didn't say anything about the guy, and they immediately proceeded to talk about Cameron McAdoo for like the next 3 laps while Yoder was leading. And I've seen they do this before when it's a privateer that jumps out front that maybe they don't think is going to lead for more than a couple turns, so he's not going to be relevant. That wasn't the case with Yoder. He ended up third in the heat maybe, and then was running top 3 or 4 in the mains as well. So it's like, what are these guys doing? And I try to give these guys the benefit of the doubt because I talk on camera too, and I know it's tough to always get your words correct, but it seems like they're getting worse and worse and worse every week. What do you guys think?